day, final couple hours because we check out at 12. Pretty much it. Enough for the last time. I'm lighting up for the last time. No, I'm not lighting up for the last time, but Maine, it has been a good one. You have been tasty, you have been humbling, you have been interesting, but you have come to an end. It's us right here. Let's go, push me. Guess not. Go, Jack, go. We're almost there. No, we're not. We out here. Bags is packed, pets is packed. Bed is not done, but we out. I got it. It's okay, honey. I got it. Oh, yeah. Hey, you waiting for me, baby? I'm gonna go get some Mami's. Elle's gonna go get her son from Eventide before we hit the road. And I gotta stop at the smoke shop. So I just copped me a box load of my TAC drinks. And yeah, we coming in the yuck with it. We coming in the yuck, yuck. Oh, I love these drinks. This is what I look forward to when I leave this place. It's leaving with a box of these drinks. Oh, man. And yeah, I did get them from a new spot, so, you know, but it's alright, though. It's alright. Right here. Right across from Cheese Louie's. I want some Cheese Louie's, which is different types of grilled cheeses. I want the grilled cheese. So she just said don't go far, that it'll be about 10 minutes. They're gonna call my name, so I'm gonna make my way over right down the block to Mami's and go get me my Yakisoba noodles. I wonder if they have like a bigger bowl of Yakisoba noodles, or am I just being fat right now? I think I'm just being fat right now. I think I get full with a bowl. So we're about to go place that order and probably run back to Cheese Louie's and get Elle's order because I know Mami should take a little while. Okay, ordered my noodles. She told me it's gonna be about 10 minutes. So I'm gonna walk back to Cheese Louie's and maybe Cheese Louie's will be done first. I don't know. But it looks like I'm gonna be enjoying some fine Japan cuisine. Got my Yakisoba noodles. I'm about to tear this up. I was gonna drink me a TAC drink for the ride, and like a dildo, I locked up the cold drink in the box, and it's taped up already. So I think I'm about to just go back in the smoke shop and just get me another one. I already maxed my TAC limit though, but worst thing comes to worst, I just send Elle in. I mean, you know, teamwork. My Yakisoba, my Yakisoba noodles, my Yaki.
I'm never sure where my phone is.
I'm on the wrong side of the chopsticks. Babe. Are you on the wrong side of the chopsticks?
What? What?
Is it eating on the wrong side of the chopsticks? Or they're just weird?
I don't know what you're asking me.
Is it the wrong side of the chopsticks?
Oh. I think that is the right side. I'm looking for my phone. It's in my hand.
Should bust every time though. Every time. When I used to leave, I used to get me a lobster roll past 3 times or 2 times I've been here, this is my go on the road premium. This shit bustin'. Hey, keep bustin'. Come. Maine. If you don't know, Maine is the foodie capital, bro. Not only seafood, everything. Last smoke on the Aloft block. I'm full. I down my drink. Oh man. Hopefully we have a nice, smooth, empty, no traffic ride. And I don't know how that's gonna be because it's already like around 1 o'clock going on 2. So I'm so full. All right, let's go. Let's hit the road, Jack. Guys doing on there? What are they doing? Just drinking water. How come I can see better through the camera?
My baby, how many times you gotten stuck in something like this?
Too many to count.
Why he moved over?
I guess there's a lot of water on this side. I don't know. But I felt water at one point.
Sir, you were our guide.
Alright?
Well, there's another truck in front of us.
So we are Connecticut. We're about to get some gasoline right now, you know? I got a quarter left. So time to get some gas and use the facilities. So yeah, I bought the rope. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this little short going home from Maine to the Bronx vibes vlog. But yeah, hit that subscribe and join me on my next journey. Where am I going? I don't know, because I wasn't even supposed to go to Maine. But yeah, see ya.